So you're the new IT manager. You've just wrapped up a successful project when suddenly, ping, an email lands on your mailbox and it reads, "Please approve this invoice," or "Submit a PO for this purchase." Your stomach drops. You know servers, networks, and systems inside out, but finance? That feels like a complete different language, and yet, as a manager, you're now expected to speak it fluently. This is the exact moment so many of us face when we transition from technical roles into management. Suddenly, the job isn't just about fixing issues, deploying new technology. It's about explaining costs, approving invoices, and justifying budgets. Hi, I am Gabe Esqueda. I started my career deep in IT infrastructure, where my world was routers, switches, and firewalls. When I first stepped into management, I thought I was ready until finance came into the picture. Like many of you, I had to learn budgeting, purchase orders, and invoices the hard way. But here's the good news. You don't need to be an accountant to make sense of IT budgets. You just need a simple framework to connect what you already know as a technical expert to the financial world that you've just stepped into. All right, let's break down the mystery. PO, or purchase order, is just an agreement to spend money before the vendor sends you the bill. Think of it like telling your bank, "I'm about to buy this item, set the funds aside." Invoice, that's the vendor saying, "We delivered the thing or service, now please pay us." CapEx, capital expenses, versus OpEx, or operational expenses. This one trips up a lot of new managers. Capital expenditures are one-time big purchases, like new servers or new switches. Operating expenses are ongoing costs, like your cloud subscription or support contracts. If you can understand these, you're already ahead most of the first-time managers. Here's a simple analogy to help you understand it. Buying groceries each week, that's OpEx, recurring and somewhat predictable. Buying a brand new fridge or a car, that's CapEx, a large investment, not something you do every month. The receipt from the store, that's your invoice. And if you told your spouse, "We need to set aside $1,200 for a new fridge next month," that's like a purchase order. Once you see it this way, IT budgeting isn't as abstract. It's just like managing your household finances, but at a larger scale. And here's something I wish I had known earlier. You don't have to figure all this out alone. Your finance or accounting colleagues are some of the best allies you can have as a new manager. They're used to working with people who aren't financial experts, and most of them are more than willing to help explain the basics of budgets, accounts, invoices, and purchase orders. Reaching out for help doesn't make you look weak. It shows that you're committed to learning and doing things right. A budget isn't just about cutting costs or chasing efficiency. It's about making sure every dollar you approve is tied to the right priorities. This can mean network upgrades that improve security or cloud costs that keep your apps running. When you tie budgets to specific business results, you stop being just the IT person and start being seen as a strategic leader. Here's a simple 3-step framework for the next time a PO or invoice lands on your desk. Number 1, clarify. What exactly is this expense for? Equipment, service, subscription? Number 2, categorize. Is this CapEx or OpEx, one-time or ongoing? Number 3, connect. How does it support business priorities? Faster networks, better security, more uptime. And that's it. You don't need to be an accountant. You just need to connect spend to value. So the next time an email pops up that says, "Please approve this invoice," don't panic. You've got the tools to decode it. From my own journey as a technical professional stepping into management, I can tell you, once you start connecting budgets to results, you gain not only confidence, but also credibility with leadership. Budgets stop being intimidating and instead become one of your best tools as a manager. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical insights that help you grow from technical expert into confident leader. And remember, as Peter Drucker reminds us, the role of a manager is to focus on results, and budgets at their core are just another tool to help you do exactly that.